What really gets me in here day after day after day is the challenge and the multiple challenges that come across when you're making a furniture piece. I absolutely thrive for the challenging projects. I know that's maybe not a common reason to get out into the shop for a lot of folks, but for me, it's really that long, arduous process of getting to that final piece. So my family and I are immigrants from Vietnam. I came here in 1985. I grew up in Poughkeepsie, New York, which is upstate New York. Grew up in a very traditional household. The adopted family that adopted me actually were an elderly Polish-Italian family. And my mother, who was working full-time, I saw her regularly. But it was very difficult for her, being a single mother, to sort of raise me. My mother is a seamstress by trade. And my adopted family, the father, was actually a sewing machine repairman. And so I've always been around the trades. I've always been around people who use their hands to create, and that greatly influenced me in going into engineering. Once I got to the age, I went to engineering school, then went to graduate school where I studied rocketry, aerospace engineering, particularly propulsion. After that, I did an internship with NASA, and then I am currently working as an infrared analyst that looks at the aft end of rocket engines. While I was doing that, there was something sort of missing in my life, something not nearly as fulfilling as what I can remember growing up, being around a sewing machine repairman and my mother, who was a seamstress who was constantly using her hands. And so I looked at doing woodworking. And at the time when I started my job, I had bought a foreclosed home that needed new trim work and needed new floors and pretty much knew everything. And I was doing more DIY stuff and kind of getting into that world. And in doing so, I started getting interested in the finer details of woodworking, which were fine furniture, furniture making, cabinet making. And people started taking notice of what I was doing, and folks were asking for tables, chairs. I found a lot of fulfillment in that, and I continue to do that, creating commissioned furniture pieces for people. For me, having the opportunities that I have, I try not to take that for granted. I feel like I've greatly benefited from being an aerospace engineer, but at the same time, I really, really appreciate the fulfillment that I get from doing woodworking.